Morning guys, dito kami sa North Cascade State Park here in Washington State. Nag-camping kami kahapon. Aming truck ready to go. Oh Daddy, there's a water here. We're in the camping number 2. Campsite namin. And then may tubig pala dito. Ito naman asawa ko, nakalimutan niya. We're in the woods. Ayan guys. Beautiful. Look. Ooh, di ba ang ganda? Ooh. Mayroong river dun. Naririnig mo ba? We're gonna go and walk. Mag-stroll. Okay guys, thank you all for watching. Bye! Love you all!